Welcome to the Better Eye Health Podcast with Damon P. Miller II, MD. This particular podcast is an excerpt from the weekly conference calls. Dr. Miller focuses on different topics connected to the Better Eye Health program. The topic of this session is when to take the Taurine. Here is Dr. Miller.
Next question had to do with just some questions about the supplements. The taurine should not be taken with protein. All of the instructions about how and when to take the supplements and what to take them with or what not to take them with are really about maximizing absorption. I just want to stress that there is no danger in mixing things. There's no way you can put things together that is going to make them in any way harmful or dangerous. But taurine, all proteins, all amino acids are absorbed by what's called active absorption. They don't just passively go from the lining of your gut into the bloodstream. There are just certain doorways that recognize amino acids, bind to them, and pull them through. So if you're eating a big protein meal and there's a lot of protein and amino acids to be absorbed, there's only a limited number of doorways to go through. And if you take your taurine with that high protein meal, you may not absorb as much of the protein. Also, taurine is mostly used at night. That's when every other cell in the body regenerates itself. And so we recommend, if you can, take it later in the day, at bedtime maybe. And the minerals are taken separately simply because they tend to react with things and form insoluble complexes. So take the minerals either between meals. You can take them at bedtime. You could take them with the taurine. Take them first thing in the morning when you stumble into the kitchen before you've even put the water on to boil for your morning tea. But do take them away from other things.
Tune in for more podcasts and other presentations. Go to www.bettereyehealth.com. There is hope for sight.